space fans, you are not going to believe what we've captured. Thanks to some beautifully clear skies, we pointed our telescopes back at Comet C 2025 K1 Atlas. And what we saw was just, wow! This comet has been putting on quite a show lately with a recent outburst and fragmentation. And our latest images reveal a truly dramatic scene. We're looking at the very heart of the comet, its inner coma, and it's not one solid piece anymore. We can clearly see several distinct fragments, like a string of cosmic pearls drifting through space. These could be subnuclei, or maybe clouds of debris from the breakup. It's like watching a cosmic event unfold in real time, right before our eyes. To get these incredibly detailed shots, we used the Virtual Telescope Project's powerful Celestron C14 robotic telescope in Italy. We decided to take a series of short, 60-second exposures, 15 of them in total, and then combine them. This technique helped us freeze the motion and capture the sharpest possible details of these fragments. And boy, are we glad we did? Look closely at this image from November 13th. You can count several separate pieces. There's even a faint plume of material, like a little jet, coming from the very first fragment on the left. This is the comet actively shedding material as it travels through space. It's absolutely fascinating to witness. But that's not all. The real magic happens when we compare our new images with the ones we took just the day before. On November 12th, we've created an animation that shows the evolution of the comet over those 24 hours. Watch this. You can see the fragments moving relative to each other, drifting apart as they journey onward. This animation gives us a unique glimpse into the dynamic and violent life of a comet. It's a powerful reminder that the universe is constantly changing. Observing a comet break apart like this is a rare opportunity. We are basically watching the deconstruction of an ancient object that has been traveling through our solar system for millions, maybe billions of years. What's causing this fragmentation? It could be the thermal stress from the sun's heat, or perhaps the comet's own rotation is spinning it apart. We're not entirely sure, but we will definitely keep our eye on Comet Atlas to see what happens next. Will it continue to break up? Will one piece become dominant? The story is still being written. We're so excited to share these discoveries with you. It's moments like these that make astronomy so thrilling. If you love seeing these incredible views of our universe, please consider supporting the Virtual Telescope Project. Your help allows us to continue our work and bring the cosmos a little closer to everyone. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next update on this incredible comet. See you next time!